Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And have you ever thought about selling your products on Temu? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of becoming a Temu seller in 2024. So let's get started. So the first step is to open the browser on your phone and search for seller.temu.com. And once you search for seller.temu.com, you will be landing on this site where you will see an option in orange saying sign up. Click on it. Before you get started, make sure that you meet the basic requirements. You must have a business license or registration. You must have quality products that meet Temu's standards. You must have the ability to ship products promptly to the customer. Now the first step is to enter your email address and once you have entered the email address as well as the password, click on the option saying continue. After that, you will be provided a verification code so that they can verify your email. And once you have entered the verification code, you will be prompted to this next step where you have to enter your business location as well as business type. And from here you will be asked the detailed information about your business which you have to enter. And once you have filled all the information for the registration process, click on the next option. Once you have completed the form, Temu will review your application, which may take a few business days. After your application is approved, it's time to set up your store. You can use Temu's seller dashboard to manage your inventory, track orders, and monitor your performance. And that's it. Becoming a Temu seller in 2024 is straightforward and offers incredible opportunities. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Temu store. See you in the next video.